Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters. Today we're going to take a look at our liftgate latches for the 66 to 77 Broncos. A high wear item, worn or weak liftgate latches won't keep your liftgate closed securely. We carry both versions of the latches found on the early Broncos. The large latch found on the 66 to 68 Broncos and the small latch found on the 69 to 77. Each latch is a complete assembly with a new mounting body, latch, spring, retainer, and the mounting screws. Both versions of our latches are zinc plated for long life and rust protection. They are reversible and will fit either the left or right side, and you will need to order two to do both sides. So getting your liftgate back to tip-top shape just got easier with these quality latches from Dennis Carpenter. You can find these and many other quality restoration parts for your Bronco at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on our latest videos. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.